Good afternoon, everybody. It is Marcia here from Bugmark Creations. Thank you for stopping by. I am going to be doing a quick overview of what is in store for the next week or so. I am working on the Tack Lake area, which will eventually be attached to Douglas Lake here. There's a waterfall that goes this way, and then the lake is either going to go that way or that way because I can move it around. Everything is going to fit together like puzzle pieces, so it could be a whole area, so the whole great big section, looking like a whole village, or it could be separate so I can have different village pieces that still look fabulous on their own. The next part that I'll be working on after I'm done Tack Lake is right here. I'm going to be putting another little mountain that's just a little bit shorter than this one because it is a shorter mountain. It's gonna be like this and then kind of go down like that, so it looks like the mountain, but it is a separate piece all by itself that hooks directly into there. So it's gonna have like an overhang and this little long piece, so it'll fit right in just like a puzzle piece, but again still be able to be used on its own if need be. So this was last year's build of Old Man Mountain. I'm gonna do a quick little overview here. There's his grumpy little face and Beard Creek and the beautiful waterfall. There's a little cave there. It is a personal cave. It's not a it's not like a animal cave. There is that which Tack Lake will actually flow out of this on this side. It is not yet finished because there is going to be a piece that just butts right up against that. And there is the little dock area. And there we have it. So that was last year's big build. I wasn't able to get everything else done because I lost my big cat and he loved Christmas. I just didn't want to do Christmas. And then we got this cute little fart, Zorro. Hi. Got this little guy here last year, and he was so young and into absolutely everything. I couldn't do the rest of my Christmas builds. But this year he's bigger, much more behaved, and I'm happy. This year, I am going to be working on Tack Lake. It is going to be a separate build all on its own. It's going to be out in my living room. This is going to be all by itself on both these tables, is the main big village in my craft room with a beautiful backdrop. So that said, Tack Lake here is going to be a big area. It's going to be on a table a little bit smaller than this one. This part here is going to be attached to this, but it's separate, so it'll look attached, but again, it could be its own separate part. And that's where buildings and people and cars and stuff are going to be going. This is just the lake. I got myself a boulder. There's going to be a bridge that goes to the boulder. There is a little pathway that's going to lead up to the mountain pass path that kind of goes up that way and around so people can get up top. There's a creek right here that leads into another creek. I may close it off. I'm still deciding on what to do with that one, but yeah, so there is my beautiful beginnings of Tack Lake. Tomorrow I'll be coming on what I've done so far and what is yet to come in the store, and we'll get started on the plastering. So I hope you all like this, and I look forward to seeing you all. Hopefully you'll be joining me on my 2024 Christmas build. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!